Grade, please follow along to learn about Module 8, Lesson 3. Today's lesson is for Friday, May 8th in your packet, starting on page 79. As a reminder, please text a picture of Monday and Wednesday's homework pages, that is pages 13 and 48, so you can receive credit. Please complete your end of Module 7 math assessment on Edulastic by Sunday, May 10th. Thank you to those who have completed it already. If you are still reviewing and preparing to take that test, you still have time. I look forward to seeing how you do. First thing in your packet you need to do is complete your core fluency sprint test on page 79. If you can pass all 40 questions in 2 minutes, you will get to move on to set B in your packet for next week. Good luck. Objective for today is I can use attributes to draw different polygons, including triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. So these are all shapes that we reviewed in Lesson 2 yesterday. If you have not watched Lesson 2 yet, please stop the video and go back and listen to that video first. Next is your application problem on page 80. I'll read, follow along. 3 sides of a quadrilateral have the following lengths: 19 centimeters, 23 centimeters, and 26 centimeters. If the total distance around the shape is 86 centimeters, what is the length of the fourth side? You need to figure out how long this quadrilateral is so far with these first 3 measurements they give you. Once you have figured that out, you need to figure out what the fourth side is. So all of those 4 sides are equal to 86 centimeters. Working for about 4 minutes. Ready, set, go. You can pause the video for your work time. I'm going to move on to the next slide. Please do not move on until you have completed your work. Looking at our drawing, I see that I have labeled one side being 19 centimeters. Another side is 23, and then 26. I first added those 3 sides together, and they equal 68. So next, I need to figure out 68 plus what equals 86, because remember, the total distance around the shape is 86 centimeters. So you could solve this in different ways. If you wanted to do vertical form, you could do that, chip model, whatever you would like to do. So you could have turned this into a subtraction problem and solved it like this. The fourth side is 18 centimeters long. So I switched it to subtraction and did 86 minus 68 equals 18. Go back and make any corrections that you need to make on your paper, or you can add more to make it even better. All right, your concept development today, that means you need to scroll down underneath this video and click on the link that I have added for you to watch the guided practice, which is called concept development. It's very important that you watch this video so you can learn and understand the new skill for today before moving on to your independent practice. Independent practice time. If you are done watching the concept development, you are on page 82 first. A material that you need is some sort of straight edge, so I think you could use a ruler if you have one to help draw your polygons on your work today. If you need help with naming and identifying your shapes on this page, you can look back at page 44 and 45 in this packet. And it has that chart on there with the examples and names and attributes of all the shapes. So that's a great tool to use, is that chart. Draw a polygon that has the given attributes. So on this first one, please draw a 4-sided polygon. Do it the best you can, making sure it's closed and has 4 sides. Then you need to fill in how many angles it has. Next, name of the polygon. So you have to write the name using the names they have provided in the word bank at the top. So the options that you have are pentagon, hexagon, quadrilateral, or triangle. Follow the directions on the next ones. You'll do a 6-sided polygon, a polygon with 5 angles, polygon with 3 angles, polygon with 6 angles, and then a polygon with 5 sides. Page 83, more drawing practice. They want you to draw 2 different polygons for each example. So on the first 2 blank squares, you're going to draw 2 examples of a 4-sided polygon. Remember that polygons can look different and have the same attributes. So for example, I could draw this right here. Those are 2 different types of 4-sided polygons, and then I would write the name on the blank line next to it. Next one, polygon with 3 angles, give me 2 examples, 5-sided polygon, and then a polygon with 6 angles. Your drawings do not need to be perfect, just doing the best you can using that straight edge. And your homework on page 84, more practice with drawing the polygons using your straight edge or ruler. Please draw the polygons with the given attributes in the space to the right. Good luck with your assignments. When you are done with your packet work for this week, please check your iReady math minutes and make sure you have at least 45 minutes for the whole week. You can do more if you would like. You need to complete at least 2 lessons on Zern, so that would be about 45 minutes. Complete your end of Module 7 assessment on Edulastic, and then make sure you've texted your Monday and Wednesday homework pages to Miss Sillin. Have a nice weekend.